Hey guys, sorry about the terrible mic quality on the other one. I was testing a new mic and it just wasn't that good, apparently. Because I got it from an Xbox and it just doesn't work well. So, sorry that it was like so terrible. And I'm just talking about putting Clash of Clans in the background. I'm going to be playing Clash of Clans in the background. And, yeah. Trends. I rewatched the live stream after. It was like, it gets posted after. It was disgusting. The quality of it was just awful. I have a spectator. I mean, free trophies for loot. But yeah. Sorry about the mic. I don't know what to play. Fred. And there goes a wall breaker. He puts. Bam, one Valkyrie can take him out. Okay. Next part. Let's get over the Valkyrie over here. Okay, that Valkyrie took one from the team. Okay. I forgot to place that in the hall. Oh my god. Just die. God. Okay. Destroy everything. And I'm just using a war attack strategy right now. I just didn't get something from my clanmates yet. I didn't get my poison stuff and my food stuff from my clanmates. It doesn't seem like most of them are on right now. So yeah. And I'm thinking about doing this on my other account, one that's only like Town Hall 3 right now. I'm thinking about playing this game a lot. Like I'm playing it in general. Around 4% Valkyries, please, thank you. Yep, okay. I don't even know how I have a spectator on this. Oh, he probably got on. I'm retarded. Yeah, I'm not gonna get a 3-star. I got a 2-star. But 3-star is not gonna happen. That cannon's massacring in that arch tower. Same thing there. Only 2 Valkyries. Oh, that's good to know. It's kind of assuring. No, don't. Oh, crud. Yeah, they're both at low health. Game over. It would have been over anyways. Because, well, I get my 9 trophies now and Crystal Lane. But, hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please like and subscribe for more. Peace out.